No, do it for Mama. That's right. That's right. That's right. Do it again. Got it again?